Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your channels type in Telegram. For example, you have a private channel in Telegram and you want it to be public. So how to do it? Let's get started. First of all, you need to go to a channel. Of course, you need to open your channel. For example, it is my test channel, Lolo Crinshit. It's called One Subscriber. And here you need to click Manage this channel. And here we've got an option channel type, and as you can see my channel is set to public, so anyone can find the channel in search and join it. And if I want to change this to private, I just click private channel, and here we've got a link, primary link. We can copy this link and we can share this link for someone that we want to join our channel. And this way only people with the link can join our channel, so anyone cannot find the channel in search. So if you want your channel to be private, you just click save. And that's basically it. You changed your channel type. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.